Welcome to Exam Sale. In this brief guide I will outline the full syllabus for test prep. Section 5 Mathematics, so you know exactly what to study and how to prioritize your time. Section 5 is divided into two domains with clear weights and expectations. Algebraic problem solving is 55% of the exam and focuses on solving linear and quadratic equations, analyzing functions, and simplifying algebraic expressions to model real-world problems, while quantitative problem solving makes up 45% and covers number sense, geometric measurement, ratios, and basic statistics. Both domains use conceptual plus scenario-based assessment formats, so questions will test reasoning with applied contexts rather than rote calculation alone. Note the recommended effort for each. Algebraic problem solving is rated hard with an estimated learning time of 45 hours, and quantitative problem solving is rated medium with about 35 hours suggested. Algebraic problem solving, which accounts for 55% of the score, is rated hard and expects about 45 hours of focused study with conceptual plus scenario-based assessment items. You will learn to simplify and evaluate algebraic expressions, add, subtract and multiply polynomials, factor polynomial expressions, simplify rational expressions, and handle exponents and roots so you can write expressions that model real situations. You will master linear techniques by solving one-variable equations and inequalities, graphing inequalities, rearranging formulas, solving systems of two linear equations, and representing real-world situations with those systems. You will also work with quadratic equations by factoring, using the quadratic formula, identifying parabola properties, modeling nonlinear scenarios, and connecting graphs and algebraic solutions, and you will develop fluency in plotting points, finding slope, writing slope-intercept equations, identifying domain and range, and interpreting rate of change and initial value. Quantitative problem solving is 45% of the exam, rated medium, and recommends about 35 hours of study with conceptual plus scenario-based assessments that require both computation and interpretation. In number sense you will practice operations with whole numbers and integers, calculate with fractions and decimals, identify factors and multiples, use absolute value and scientific notation, and order rational numbers on a number line to build reliable calculation skills. Ratio, proportion, and percent topics teach unit rates and unit price problems, solving proportions, multi-step percent problems, percent increase and decrease, and simple and compound interest calculations including tax, markup, and discounts for everyday financial decisions. Geometric measurement covers perimeter, area, circumference, volume and surface area of solids, the Pythagorean theorem and composite figures, while statistics and probability include mean, median, mode, range, interpreting tables and graphs, analyzing scatter plots and histograms, calculating probabilities for independent and dependent events, and using basic counting techniques and permutations. Use the domain weights, the stated difficulty levels, and the estimated learning hours to create a study plan that prioritizes algebraic problem solving first and reinforces quantitative problem solving second. With steady practice on the listed topics, focused work on key areas like factoring, the quadratic formula, percent and interest problems, geometry calculations, and data interpretation, you will be ready to tackle test prep Section 5 Mathematics with confidence.